Okay, future welders, we are going to go over how to use our key listener right here that we imported in here as a way to control our snake. We've already done some key listener stuff, but we are going to use our void key listener to create a new set of directions for this, because snakes can't reverse backwards, because otherwise the snake consumes itself and then you lose. So we can't have the snake go backwards. So we're going to set this up just a little bit differently. So inside of here, we are going to have a key press. So we're not going to worry about the key release or key type. By default, key listener has to have these here, even if they are blank. So we are going to go in here and we are going to say an integer key is equal to event get key code. So our get key code is going to store whatever key was just hit into a little memory, and then we are going to do something based off of that. So if our key is equal to key event, and that is dot virtual key, so vk underscore right, and right should all be capitalized, and not left, because we cannot be pressing those at the same time. And not left, we're going to close that up, and we are going to start what happens inside of this. So in that instance of if, we are going to say that up is equal to false, and we can close that. Down is equal to false, and right is equal to true. So remember, we set true to equal a +1, so we're going to add 1 to it. We're going to continue that direction as long as it is continuing to go right. We don't need to have left on here because we already said that it is not true. As long as that is not, then we're all good. All right, so now I am just going to copy and paste this a couple more times and make some edits to it. So control copy, whoop. All right, so let's do if key and key event. We're going to do left and not right. Then we are going to still have up is false, down is false, and right we need to change to left. So left is true. We already said not right, so we're all good over there. Then I am going to control paste that down. So now let's do virtual key up, and it's not down. Then we are going to say that up is true. Down, we don't need down, so we're going to make that into left, and then these are false. Cool. So now I'm going to copy this one. Whoop. And we can use this. We are going to say as long as it is down and not up, we are going to say that down is true. Ooh, just down. Down is true, and the other two are false. Cool. Those are virtual